Today for the Bitcoin, Ethereum and Cardano ADA price. Bitcoin, Ethereum and Cardano are right now finally doing what we've been waiting for. I want to be talking about what signal is actually right now flashing and what price targets I am predicting for Bitcoin, Ethereum and Cardano right now in the immediate short term. I am coming to you here straight from Mexico, but I want to deep dive into the charts and tell you exactly what I am right now planning, also trading wise for Bitcoin, Ethereum and ADA Cardano. If you are holding any Cardano, guys, I want to tell you, watch this video until the very end. The news I'm going to share with you, the price target I am going to share with you, they will certainly blow your mind. I want to be starting with Bitcoin right now. Before I will go into some news which are groundbreaking. I am telling you something, guys. These news are once again pointing towards the fact that Bitcoin is going to millions of dollars per Bitcoin much sooner than we have been actually predicting it earlier. I will be talking about all of that. Let me start. Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. As you remember, I was yesterday predicting actually that we have this bullish divergence and a falling wedge breakout at 46,000 US dollars. Everyone who was jumping into a trade here based upon this prediction, let me quickly go over. You are right now up significantly. Congratulations for you. Congratulations for subscribing to the MMCrypto channel. Actually, after this signal, the Bitcoin price pumped up 8% already unleveraged, with leverage approximately 80% at a 10x leverage. Now the question is, of course, are we going to go higher? Because this falling wedge breakout actually has the price target all the way up here at the top of the wedge at 56,800 US dollars. Well, this is what I want to be talking about right now. So first of all, we got the breakout yesterday. I was telling you, we need more volume, and more volume is coming in. These volume candles, they are not mind-blowing, but they are at least beating most of the other volume candles within the pattern, which is already a good sign. Volume is coming in. The market is starting to agree on this breakout. Nevertheless, guys, we saw here some kind of a confirmation already. There is another traffic area I am actually keeping an eye on right now, and I want to show you what this traffic area is. Bear with me here until the very end of the video, guys. This is very important. Let me quickly see here. Maybe I can pull out something else. No, you know what? Yeah, you let me do a rectangle, because what you can see here is we have significant traffic coming in actually at the price levels where we are right now. We need to surpass this traffic box here, because we had significant support over here, which actually even held. We had significant resistance over here, and right now we are going up here at these levels where we are right now to retest here this resistance. If you are in a profitable trade right now and you are 50, 60, 70% here with leverage in a profit, well, you might as well take some profit here. You might as well take some chips from the table and then let the rest ride towards the upside. You have the free position right now. Congratulations for you here. Congratulations for being part of the MMCrypto family. Something else I wanted to show you, and this is good news, guys. Bitcoin just with like an hour before I started here the recording button, we went above the 4-hour EMA ribbon. So on the 4-hourly, we are right now, as I am speaking to you guys, in an uptrend. Let me diminish the volume here. The last time we went significantly below the EMA ribbon, we entered the bear trend. The last time we went significantly above it, that was right here. We went into a massive, significant uptrend for Bitcoin. So the time has come once again. We are entering this potential uptrend. The only moment of truth will be this retest of this resistance area. Let's wait for this. But I mean, guys, we are here still in this trade. We are taking profits right now. I will be talking about my trades later on as well. And this is eventually our price targets where we are taking the last profits out of this specific trade. Of course, I want to be talking about Ethereum as well. Then I will be going into Cardano, guys. Stick here with me until the very end, and I want to share with you, for everyone who is interested in Bitcoin, let me quickly switch over. Here you can see this beautiful view. I'm so grateful for that. It's crazy. So for everyone who is interested in Bitcoin, into my trades, into my future trades, into my current trades, and my price predictions for Bitcoin, stick here with me until the very end. I want to talk about Ethereum and then about Cardano. Also share with you the news here I have prepared for you here. Stick with me until the very end. I am telling you, guys, today it is really worth it. Scroll down, please give me also this feedback if you want more of these videos. They are quick videos. I am compressing as many information, as much knowledge as possible in the lowest amount of minutes in that video. So make sure you are giving me that feedback, you are sharing the video with your friends, and you just make, as an MMCrypto family, noise for the YouTube algorithm to show me I should continue with that format here. Among the others, also let me know if you want more live streams here in the future. Let me now go over into Ethereum. By the way, timestamps down below. And what you can see here on Ethereum right now, why are the Bollinger Bands open? They're not relevant right now. So you can see on Ethereum something similar is actually unfolding than we are seeing it on the Bitcoin chart. So of course there is a huge amount of correlation going on between Ethereum and Bitcoin. But what you can see here, Ethereum was also entering this bear trend. We are also, and I don't think anyone else is talking about that, also talking here about a falling wedge on the 4-hourly candles. And also at the exact same time, Ethereum was breaking out when Bitcoin was breaking out. And you know what? There's another similarity. We have as well here significant resistance coming in, approximately in this case at the 1,670 US dollar levels, where we had significant support over here and also resistance coming in over here. The moment we were breaking it, Ethereum was entering the downtrend. Well, we were breaking out right now. Let's have a quick look at the volume for Ethereum. And on the volume for Ethereum, you can see there could be more volume actually right now. If you are in a trade, just be cautious. Maybe you put your take profit, your stop loss in a break even. That could be very reasonable. But in the end of the day, we need to overcome this resistance, and only if volume is coming in, we are overcoming this resistance. Only in this case, I would personally be targeting the measured move price target, actually the technical price target on the top of the wedge, approximately among the 2,000 US dollar areas. So much about Ethereum. But guys, I told you, if you are actually interested in Cardano, you are in for a treat today, because I want to talk about Cardano. I want to talk about my next ADA price target. So let me quickly here go into the charts. Before I'm going over to the news, I actually wanted to share with you here, I teased it already in the beginning of the video, and I can promise you one thing, guys. You do not want to be missing out on that, because probably you didn't hear that so far. Let me quickly go over to the Cardano chart, because I know we have so many Cardano fans in the community. If you are not subscribed to this channel yet, guys, you should be subscribed to it. So this is Cardano measured in Bitcoin. This is what it's about, guys. If you are investing in Cardano and you are proud of a 2x, for example, but at the same time Bitcoin made a 3x, which is not the case here in this case, right? But then why are you exposing yourself to an additional amount of risk here if you are not even beating Bitcoin? Well, Cardano is beating Bitcoin, as you can see here. And the question is, will this go forward? Well, what I want to do here is I will start with a very basic high level analysis here. So from the swing high to the swing low, I'm pulling this Fibonacci extension level. So my Fibonacci extension analysis, and it was actually holding true for many price levels we are hitting before, is right now. The next one I would be looking at, of course, we have here some price targets in the meantime, but the golden ratio is usually the one we want to be looking out for. This golden ratio here would bring us all the way up. And guys, now listen closely, 4,950 Satoshis. Right now, we are actually, look at this, 2,655 Satoshis. This is nothing for tomorrow or the day after. This is like a weekly trade. But the nice thing about that is if you are reaching that, you are making basically an 80% gain against Bitcoin. If Bitcoin doubles, this is a 160% gain in US dollars. So of course, I'm not exposing myself to a huge amount here of Cardano, but a small amount here, nibbling into Cardano, just for this case that it's actually dethroning Ethereum, which is not, in my opinion, not gonna happen, but it is possible. And I don't want to be a Kevin O'Leary, I don't want to be a Peter Schiff, I don't want to be standing on the sidelines. So I am exposing myself to this risk. I actually did that already way earlier. So this is my price target. I am actually looking out for 4,950 Satoshis for Cardano right now. Let me quickly go back. So once again, this is an 80% move against Bitcoin. And if you wanna be, I will talk about my price predictions as well, and about my trades as well, of course, very importantly. But if you do want to trade Cardano as well, guys, not only Cardano, but also Bitcoin, Ethereum, in these links here, you get $1,180 for free. Especially here, if you click on the FEMAX link, you can trade Cardano and you get a free bonus up to $1,180 on all of these exchanges here. If you use our links below, you get this bonus, and it is going on for limited time. So make sure that as an experienced trader only, you are clicking these links, and after your initial deposits, you are getting these bonuses, and you can trade here based upon my predictions, but more importantly, based upon your own analysis here on these platforms. You can use only the bonus, you can withdraw the profits from this free trade as well. So something else I wanted to talk about, guys, and this is This is insane. So first of all, look at this. Do you actually believe that the Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary reverses his stance on Bitcoin, says crypto is here to stay? He invested 3% of his portfolio into Bitcoin. A few years ago, he called it a garbage currency, a Barbie currency, and now he changed his opinion. Well, I have to say still, respect. It's not a Peter Schiff. He is saying the facts are changing and I'm changing my opinion, and well, at least he is changing his opinion before it's really too late. It's not too late. So respect for this, but I just wanted to remind you, he was extremely bearish on Bitcoin and now he is bullish. Someone else who was bearish on Bitcoin is banks, retail banks. For example, JP Morgan, they went into Bitcoin. And now Citibank, they were so bearish on Bitcoin. And guys, you know what? I wanted to show you something else. Just wait a second with me here. So look at this. Citibank has released a 106-page report on Bitcoin. Do you know Mahatma Gandhi's saying? First they laugh at you, then they fight you. No, first they laugh at you, first they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, and then you win. We are in the stage of winning right now. They are joining us. They are saying BTC attributes could spur into becoming the currency of choice for international trade. Bitcoin is at a tipping point and we could be at the start of a massive transformation of cryptocurrency into the mainstream. I mean, guys, it is happening right now. This is Citibank, right? This is Citibank, and of course it's like only humans sitting there. I remember in 2008 when they were holding so many asset-backed securities and they were just going nearly bankrupt. So of course they are doing many mistakes, and maybe it's not the most bullish signal that Citibank is right now flipping bullish, but at least you are seeing we already overcome the laughing stage. We already overcome the ignoring stage, and that these people are fighting us. We are already on the winning stage. We are winning right now. This is the reason why we are actually involved in Bitcoin. There are many, many other things I wanted to talk about. Remember yesterday I was giving you this signal. Subscribe to the MMCrypto Twitter channel to get these signals in the moment I am posting it. I was also saying Bitcoin is right now breaking out exactly as predicted in the last video. But more importantly, I was telling you, buy the fear. We are on the fear and greed index right now on 38. The market is severely fearful right now. So last week we were at 94. Just a week later, and we are at 48,000. Everyone is fearful. You want to be bullish when everyone is fearful. You know that I was bearish here after we were hitting the $50,000 level here from the upside to the downside. Guys, by holding Bitcoin, you're holding something. Billionaires are scaling in right now. MicroStrategy was buying, BankerSailor was buying here, MicroStrategy was buying here, MicroStrategy was buying here, Elon Musk was buying here. Do you want to be standing on the sidelines for an asset which is performing as well as that? Well, of course not. I am having all of my trades open. As you know, I have my trade over on Phemex. Where is my trade over on Phemex? No. Where is my trade over on Phemex? Let me just see if I have it here over on this computer. Yeah, I have it here. So I have my trade over on Phemex right now. Of course it is still open. Of course I'm holding it open here. Also, I have my trade over on, I'm not logged in right now. Anyway, I have like 6 trades open. The trade over on Phemex, the trades over on Bybit, and much, much more. And I am not intending to close them. I am intending to take more profits here on the way up, guys, obviously. And then also open new trades, and I will be updating you about that. Unfortunately, we didn't hit my $41,000 price target because of the MicroStrategy news and because of many more things, but at least we were standing on the sidelines during this sideways period. At least we were not caught up in long trades, which were wiped out in the end of the day. This is why you're subscribed to the MMCrypto channel, and now that we are going above the EMA ribbon, now that we are breaking out of this falling wedge, I am looking into new long positions. The last one was actually yesterday when I was giving you the signal. Let me know what you think about all of that. Let me know if you want more of the altcoin sections and more of the altcoins actually covered in future videos. You gave me the feedback that you want more about Cardano. Well, here I am talking about Cardano. So leave your favorite altcoins in the comment section down below. Upvote each other's altcoins, and you know, guys, I am here for you. I will be listening to you. I will be listening to your wishes, and I will be talking about your favorite altcoins in the future as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.